Miss Waiter, what is your least favorite Christmas song? Absolutely, Mariah Carey's "All I Want for Christmas Is You." It's disgusting. Disgusting. It's terrible. I do have to agree. Run! A Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So bring us some figgy pudding. So bring us some figgy pudding. So bring us some pretty pudding and a cup of good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need.
I don't care about the presents under the Christmas tree.
Woo!
Christmas karaoke?
You are.
I am? Oh, chestnuts. Oh, God! Chestnuts roast.
over.
It's too low. It's
Keep going in.
okay. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Right? Did I get it right?
What's the song? What's the song?
Isn't it Last Christmas?
You're killing me. I had the good one, and you ruined it.
I'm sorry. That was my bad.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
Yeah. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows like a flashlight. All of the other reindeer used to like to call him names like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide our sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeer loved him, and they shouted out with glee, yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you won't have in his story. Can you sign this?
Your